You might wonder, why is there an empty lace or skin front on my hair system? If you just received your hair system and noticed a small empty section at the front with no hair, don't worry. This bare area is intentionally left for two key reasons. First, it allows professional stylists to pin the system onto a mannequin head for cutting and styling without damaging the delicate base. Second, this is important. It also benefits clients who want a softer, more natural hairline. Why the empty front? Prevents damage to the lace or skin base during styling. Allows for precise customization by your stylist. Creates a softer, more natural hairline when applied. When a stylist works on your system, they can use this section to pin it in place securely. If you prefer a more gradual blended look instead of a sharp, straight hairline, that empty area gives you some wiggle room to customize how your lace or skin blends with your scalp. So if you see that empty section, don't panic. It's actually there to help make your system look its best. Whether you want it professionally styled or prefer a softer, seamless blend when applied. Have more questions about your hair system? Drop them in the comments and we will gladly clear your doubts. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time.